Are you ready to transform how you handle risk and uncertainty in just a few easy steps, all without leaving Excel? Whether you're in finance, manufacturing, healthcare, mining, oil and gas, energy, or another industry, Analytic Solver has you covered. It's your all-in-one solution for fast, transparent, and flexible Monte Carlo simulation that goes beyond a simple what-if analysis. In just a few easy steps, define your uncertain variables, set up probability distributions, and run thousands of Monte Carlo simulations. You'll see exactly how market fluctuations, cost variations, or component failures affect your profit, risk, or ROI. Then take it a step further with the stochastic optimization, where decisions are optimized under uncertain parameters, ensuring you choose the best course of action across multiple possible futures. Unlike black box tools, Analytic Solver offers total transparency. Every distribution, constraint, and calculation is clear and auditable, giving you confidence in your results. You can fit distribution to historical data, analyze the sensitivity of each variable, and see exactly where your risks and opportunities lie. Need to share your insights or build a cloud or web application? Analytic Solver integrates with Microsoft Teams, Power BI, Tableau, and our Raison cloud service, so stakeholders can view and run simulations or optimizations anytime, anywhere, without any hidden logic. Ready for fast, flexible, and transparent simulation and stochastic optimization? Start a free trial, join a webinar, or explore our ready-to-use examples. Experience Analytic Solver and discover a smarter, more powerful way to handle risk and uncertainty, all inside Excel.